Everyone, welcome to another EdTech video tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a long URL to a short version of your URL. So we're going to use tinyurl.com. Proceed to our video tutorial, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon in order for you to be updated whenever I upload a new content. On to our video. So first thing that we need to do is for us to open our Microsoft Chrome and then go to this site, tinyurl.com. Yan, punta tayo sa site na yan. Tapos, this can generate a long URL to a shorter version. So, let's try converting. So, ang gagawin lang natin is we're going to paste a URL here and then convert or make our own tiny URL. So, let's have an example. So, first, let's have ito. So, kokopyahin natin to, yung URL ng ating formative assessment, ating practice exercise. Tapos, we are going to paste it here. Okay? Ito yung mahabang link natin. And we will give lagay tayo ng ating shortcut, LCM, and seedword, LCM. SW LCM. Ayan, yun yung ating shortcut. And then we will have make tiny URL. So click natin yan. And then we will have this. So you created your tiny URL from this URL to this short version. So if you're going to type this, tinyurl.com/swlcm, didiretso tayo sa ating yan, automatic na-convert na siya sa short version. Pero ito pa rin yung website niya, yung URL niya. Nagkaroon lang siya ng shortcut na version para pagka shinare natin at itatype nila sa kanilang computer or sa kanilang device, it will be shorter. So, ganun lang kasimple kung paano gumawa ng shortcut version ng inyong URL. So, kung magpapagawa kayo ng or kung magpapa-assess kayo or magpapa-answer kayo ng evaluation form, you can use tinyurl to shorten your link na ibibigay sa audience ninyo or sa mga students ninyo or so on. So I hope this video can be useful when you create or when you make your plans, when you make your evaluation form na papagawa sa students ninyo. Okay, so that's it. That's how short and quick this making tiny URL. Okay. Tutorial was suggested by my friend Ernesto Eric Chua III. So thank you, Chua, for suggesting this content. And I hope you can suggest more. Pero next time, message mo na lang ako. Wag mo na lang banggitin sa meeting. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, suggestions, recommendations, leave a comment on our comment section below. Share this video and do not forget to subscribe. And for more videos like this, go to my channel, Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.